welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder to all you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. For now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top headlines of the day. Rhea and her brother Shavik spotted outside the gym she used to visit with Sushant. Shehnaz Gill cuts a cake with paparazzi to celebrate Shona Shona reaching 100 million views. Bollywood showers love on Anushka and Virat's baby girl Bhumika. Vicky Kaushal and Manu Shishalar spotted at Mumbai airport as they fly out to Maheshwar for an outdoor schedule. Alia has been given 2 weeks off to rehearse for Gangubai Kathiawadi's lavish dance number. Rhea Chakraborty, who was the victim of a vicious trial by media and even spent a month in jail on charges of consuming and procuring banned substances, seems to be getting back to a normal life one step at a time. Rhea and her brother Shavik, who also spent quite a few months in jail, was spotted at the same gym she used to visit with her alleged boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput before his demise. Rhea Chakraborty and her family have had a very difficult 2020, with not one but 3 central agencies investigating them under various charges, from money laundering to abetting the demise of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Rhea, who was allegedly Sushant's live-in partner, was named by Sushant's family as the main accused in the FIR they filed in Patna, which went on to become the basis of a CBI investigation. Now, several months later, Rhea and her brother Shavik are finally out on bail and attempting to repair their lives. Rhea was spotted by paparazzi outside the same gym she used to visit with her then boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput. Rhea और सुशांत को कई बार जिम से निकलते हुए क्लिक किया जाता था. Now, almost a year later, Rhea was spotted again at the same spot with her brother Shavik. While Rhea said "excuse me" and got into the car, Shavik paused to give the photographers a small thumbs up. Rhea और Shavik दोनों ही बहुत मुश्किलों से गुजर के बेल पे रिलीज हुए हैं and seem to be slowly getting back to their old routines. There were multiple allegations made against Rhea by Sushant's family. They had accused her of siphoning off his money and harassing him mentally and emotionally, causing him to take the extreme step that he did. However, none of the 3 central agencies were able to conclusively prove any of these charges, and Rhea was finally given bail by the Bombay High Court. While Sushant's demise is still under investigation, Rhea is now being spotted from time to time in the city. She was spotted buying flowers on Sushant's birthday, but the actor refused to comment and was in fact bothered by press photographers following her around. The actor was also part of a controversy when Vijay Raghuram shared a picture with her. But in spite of all the negativity and the turmoil Rhea and her family have been through, it seems like the young actor is trying to pick up the pieces of her life and start all over again.
Excuse me.
शेहनाज जी के लिए तैयार ही है.
Shehnaz Gill and Siddharth Shukla's song Shona Shona has crossed 100 million views on a streaming channel और इसी landmark event को celebrate करने के लिए the actor cut a cake at the airport and celebrated with the paparazzi. Shehnaz Gill and Siddharth Shukla first met on the sets of a reality show hosted by Salman Khan and hence are rumored to be dating after that. Though neither has confirmed their relationship, उनका एक साथ back-to-back projects पे काम करना और एक साथ अपने birthday celebrate करना speaks volumes about their नजदीकियां. Now that the song has crossed 100 million views, it looks like their popularity is only going to soar. Shehnaz was looking pretty dressed in all pink jumpsuit that she paired with a cap and white shoes. She completed her airport OOTD with a waist pouch and a matching mask as per safety regulations. Shehnaz, who is very popular with the press and on social media because of her bubbly personality and rumored romance with handsome hunk Siddharth Shukla, smiled and waved for the press photographers and cut a chocolate cake with them as she celebrated her belated birthday and the success of the song Shona Shona that stars her and Siddharth. But what's most impressive is that Shehnaz has undergone a tremendous transformation recently, losing lots of weight and looking stunning. Speaking to a news portal about her new look, Shehnaz ने कहा कि she wanted to be the best version of herself. Along with honing my talent, I always try to improve myself and rectify my mistakes. I decided to lose weight when I started receiving appreciation from people. I wanted to show them a different me. सब मुझे मोटी कह रहे थे, so I wanted to surprise them, she shared. The actor is also making an effort to improve her diction and pick up more English as she gets more success in her work. While she is working on her vocabulary and accent, Shehnaz ने कहा कि वो कोशिश करती रहती है and even if people laugh at her, she doesn't mind. While she has featured in music videos as an actor, Shehnaz खुद भी गाती है और उनका सपना है कि वो एक्टिंग के साथ-साथ प्लेबैक सिंगिंग भी करे. The pretty Shehnaz feels कि भले ही वो कम प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करे, the quality of work cannot be compromised on. She is patient and is willing to wait and work hard to get the projects she would like to work on. My dream is to play a quintessential heroine. That apart, I plan to focus on my career as a singer. I want to lend my voice to singles and also be a playback singer. मैं शहनाज गिल के नाम को बड़ा करना चाहती हूँ, बड़ा सोचकर. Well, we truly admire your spirit, Shehnaz, and here's hoping that 2021 proves to be super successful for you. Dogs have always been called man's best friend. But today, people love to call themselves not just their furry pal's best friend, but also a pet parent. There are many B-Town celebrities who call themselves proud mamas and papas of adorable little dogs. Let's check out some of the best-known dog mamas in Bollywood and their celebrity for adorable babies. The unconditional love and warmth you get from a dog is something you cannot describe in words. Dogs are cuddly, loyal, and they will love you like there is no one like you. They don't care if you're a superstar or a diva. All they need is love. Now maybe that's why so many B-Town celebrities love their fur babies, because that's one relationship that comes with no strings attached. Priyanka Chopra Jonas. Priyanka and her husband Nick are proud parents to not one but 3 adorable dogs, Dinah, Panda and Gino, who all live with celeb couple and even travel with them. Dinah has been spotted with Priyanka in London and even Berlin And it looks like this tiny princess is Mama Priyanka's favorite. Anushka Sharma. Anushka Sharma may be a new mommy to baby Vamika, but the actor loves her furry baby Dude just as much. Anushka has shared many adorable pictures with Dude over the years. And just days before her delivery, the actor shared an adorable picture of herself sleeping next to Dude on the floor while he took a nap. We can't wait to see this special family together. Disha Patni. Disha Patni may be one of the most popular young stars, but उनके दिल पे राज करते हैं उनके दो प्यारी doggies, Goku and Bella. Disha, who lives with her two dog babies, often shares super cute photos of them on her social media page. And safe to say, उनके doggies इतने cute हैं that Disha थोड़ी सी overshadow हो ही जाती है. Kriti Sanon. The stunning Kriti Sanon has not one but two dog babies who are her whole world. The actor often shares pictures of herself cuddling her two furry friends, Disco and Phoebe, and even started the new year celebrating with her puppies. Ananya Pandey. Rising star Ananya Pandey is madly in love with her two doggies, Astro and Fudge. Ananya often shares adorable pictures of herself unwinding post-work with her two furry friends and seems happiest when she is enjoying their cozy cuddles and face licks. Congratulatory messages, love and blessings are pouring in for Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli's baby girl, Vamika. अनुष्का और विराट के कॉलीग से लेके अनुष्का की लुक अलाइक तक सबने छोटी सी वामिका को अपना प्यार और बेस्ट विशेस भेजे हैं. Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli welcomed their baby girl on the 11th of January. Though Virat had shared the good news of Anushka giving birth to a baby girl, it's only 3 weeks later that Anushka finally shared a picture of their daughter and shared her name with the world. Anushka posted an adorable picture of herself and Virat with Vamika, and we are absolutely in love with this family of three. Anushka Sharma के फोटो में she and Virat are looking with love and delight at their baby daughter. And Anushka, who seems to be experiencing sleepless nights like most parents with a newborn baby, shared a heartwarming caption introducing Vamika to the world. Anushka wrote, "We have lived together with love, presence and gratitude as a way of life. But this little one, Vamika, has taken it to a whole new level. Tears, laughter, worry, bliss, emotions that have been experienced in a span of minutes sometimes. Sleep is elusive, but our hearts are so full, thanking you all for your wishes, prayers and good energy." The actor's post has received millions like and loads of comments from colleagues, fans and friends from around the world. बॉलीवुड में भी कई लोगों ने अनुष्का और विराट को कंग्रेचुलेट किया. प्रियंका चोपड़ा wrote a note wishing the couple and said, "Such a beautiful picture. Sending you all so much love. May all your dreams come true, Vamika." Kajal Agarwal, who got married last year, also sent the baby love and wrote, "Lots of love to little Vamika." Vani Kapoor, Ishan Khattar, Siddhant Chaturvedi, Rakulpreet Singh, cricketer Hardik Pandya all sent baby Vamika love with heart emojis. But we spotted a very special comment from singer Julia Michaels, who first made headlines for being Anushka Sharma's lookalike. Julia, who had also congratulated the couple when they announced their pregnancy, wrote, "Congrats." But given the fact कि वो अनुष्का की supposed हमशक्ल है, उनके comment को 2000 से भी ज्यादा likes मिले. Anushka and Julia, who follow each other on social media apps, connected online after pictures of Julia went viral for her uncanny resemblance to Anushka. Julia had then written to Anushka on a microblogging site introducing herself as her apparent twin, to which Anushka had also responded humorously saying वो अब अपने बाकी 5 doppelganger से भी मिलना चाहती है. Well, अनुष्का के भले ही look alikes हो, but baby Vamika एक ही है, and we send the little one all our love and good wishes. Vicky Kaushal and Manushi Chillar were spotted at the Mumbai airport as they headed to Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh to start filming for the next schedule of their untitled film being directed by Vijay Krishna Acharya for Yash Raj Productions. Vicky Kaushal is an actor who is going from strength to strength. After raising the josh of an entire nation, Vicky Kaushal is back on set after a long break due to the lockdown. The actor started shooting in November last year for this new Yash Raj film. He also has the Sam Manekshaw biopic and the immortal Ashtathama lined up for filming and release this year. Vicky and Manushi Chillar will be working together for the first time, and fans are excited to see them working together as a fresh pair. Manushi has already completed filming for Prithvi Raj opposite Akshay Kumar, which is also a YRF project. And this is the second film she will be seen in. Vicky and Manushi were spotted arriving separately at the Mumbai airport. Manushi was casually dressed in a sleeveless top and jeans, and she carried a jacket in her hands. The actor kept her mask on given restrictions and the fact that she is flying to shoot. Vicky was also dressed in a comfortable blue sweatshirt, and while he waved and posed for the paparazzi, the actor too kept his mask on to maintain the safety required for shoots these days. The untitled film they are working on is supposedly a romantic drama. और नवंबर 18 को विकी ने अपने मेकअप रूम से फोटो शेयर करते हुए लिखा था, शुभारंभ. The shoot has been going on ever since, but it looks like the cast and crew members are keeping a low profile and keeping details of the story under wraps as well. But according to sources, the team is now headed to Maheshwar in Madhya Pradesh, जहां फिल्म का छोटा स्केड्यूल फिल्म होगा. According to sources, Vicky और मानुषी कुछ romantic scenes और दूसरे crucial sequences को complete करेंगे. It will be an extensive outdoor schedule with the natural beauty of Maheshwar providing some stunning scenery to the movie. Like all film projects, this film, which is rumored to be part of YRF's 50th anniversary celebrations, is also being shot in a bio bubble as a part of mandatory safety requirements. We can't wait to get more details about this project and watch this brand new pair on screen very soon. Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but guys stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
Love. True. No.
Alia Bhatt is the busiest bee in town, and the actor, who has been shooting non-stop for Gangubai Kathiawadi and RRR, has now been given a 2-week break to rehearse her moves for 2 dance numbers that are being planned and mounted in true Bhansali style on a huge scale. Ever since the 1st of October, Alia Bhatt has been shooting non-stop and racing to make sure that she completes 2 of her delayed projects, Gangubai Kathiawadi and the pan-Indian magnum opus RRR. According to sources, Gangubai Kathiawadi is very close to the finish line now, and Sanjay Leela Bhansali has just 2 dance numbers to finish before he calls it a wrap. But a Bhansali dance number is usually a dance extravaganza, and this time too he plans to pull out all the stops. Alia has been running from pillar to post as she balances her personal and professional life. The actor, who resumed work in October, took a short break over New Year's to spend time with Bio Ranbir and both their immediate families. But come 2021, she has been back on set, working non-stop to complete all the talky portions of Gangubai Kathiawadi. Sanjay Leela Bhansali now just has 2 songs to film, but given how detailed and lavish his song and dance numbers are, the director has given his leading lady Alia 2 weeks off to prepare and rehearse before they go on set to shoot the songs. मिस्टर भंसाली बॉलीवुड की टॉप एक्टर्स के साथ काम कर चुके हैं, एंड वेदर इट्स माधुरी दीक्षित, ऐश्वर्या राय और दीपिका पादुकोण. Each star has been a part of some iconic song and dance numbers from Mr. Bhansali's films. Even for Gangubai Kathiawadi, Sanjay ji is shooting one of the songs on a massive scale and is reportedly planning to have 200 background dancers behind Alia. सुनने में आया है कि ये गाना फिल्म सिटी में गंगूबाई के मैसिव सेट्स पे फिल्म होगा. And given how much planning and effort is going in to make it look fabulous, Alia has also been asked to take 2 weeks off and rehearse her steps before she returns to set. But it looks like Alia, who was in hospital recently for exhaustion and dehydration, also took advantage of this fortnight off and flew to Delhi to spend some time with Ranbir Kapoor, who is filming for Love Ranjan's next project there, and visit his sister Ridhima Kapoor Sahani. Pictures from her lunch with Ranbir and Ridhima taken at Ridhima's house went viral on social media recently, as did pictures of Alia returning from Delhi. The Kalang star was spotted by paparazzi as she flew back to Mumbai, but what really grabbed netizens' eyes was the expensive purse Alia was carrying with her black top, black jacket, colorful pants and sneakers. Apparently, the small branded crossbody purse that Alia was carrying cost a whopping 1 lakh rupees. Well, Alia was completely slaying the airport look. But we'd like to wish Alia Bhatt all the very best for this highly anticipated Bhansali song. Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. But you guys stay home and stay healthy.